Recently I got this Case Copperlock. Love it. Locking blade, all good. Only issue is the blade is not centered. So today I'm gonna make a quick little video on how to center a blade. And hopefully I won't break these beautiful bone scales. So basically what I'm shooting for is to move the centering over to about right there when it closes. So as you see, like when you open it and close it, it drops back pretty much off center. It's not rubbing on the liner, but it's pretty close. Okay, the only tools you really need are a stump, stick, and I couldn't find my small hammer, so I'm just gonna use a little hand axe. It's a little big, but just won't hit it so hard. So the goal is to move the blade to the side with the shield. And in order to do that, we're going to open it up 90 degrees, lay it on the opposing side, and then lay it down on the stump, put the stick right there, and then hit the stick a few times and see if we make any changes. Small changes. Okay, so the knife's laying on the stump. You could put some cloth down to keep it from scratching, but I don't really care if my knives get scratched. I think it moved a little. Not quite. Okay, all done. So basically got the Copperlock. Bolster got a little bit scratched up right there, but the good thing is we've got a pocket knife now that when you close it, it closes dead center. Thanks for watching.